Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily Learning F, the podcast that helps you learn English through real life stories and conversations. I'm your host, Emily. Today, I'm going to talk about something we all have, a daily routine. By the end of this episode, you will learn useful vocabulary and phrases to describe your day in English. So, let's get started. Let's get started with morning routine. In the first section, we will discuss our morning routine. Every day, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm. Then I get out bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. If you want to learn English, then do practice at home by using daily routine sentences. Do it yourself. Finally, I take a shower, get dressed, and leave the house around 8 am to go to work. This type of sentences we use in our daily routine, so speak and practice. Don't worry if you are making mistakes. Try again and again. One day your mistakes will be finished. Afternoon routine. I arrive at work at 8:30. The first thing I do is check my emails. Then I make a to-do list for the day. Working in an office is an interesting activity. I am very punctual and I am very responsible regarding my work. Here I met different people. I learn a lot. I usually have meetings, write reports, or work on projects in the morning. At 12:30, I take a lunch break. I usually eat lunch with my coworkers. We talk, laugh, and relax before going back to work. After work, I go home. Sometimes I go to the gym to exercise. Other times I cook dinner or order food if I am too tired. In the afternoon, I continue my task and finish around 5 pm. After dinner, I like to watch TV, reading book. The day ends. Now let's review some useful daily routine phrases. Wake up, get up, wake up, get up, brush my teeth, take a shower, go to work, go to school. I have a cup of coffee or tea. I check my email. I listen to music or podcast. I cook dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I watch TV. I read a book. Thank you for watching Daily Learning F.